I have not ever seen these at the Dollar Tree, or this brand anyway, which they could have had it and I just never noticed it because I needed some plastic spoons for my coffee slash hot cocoa bar. And usually I'll get the plastic spoons from the party section. But this time I found these, and these were over by where the paper plates and paper cups and things like that were. But, and I think this brand is called Daily Saw. It's either Daily Saw with a W, S-A-W, or it's an N, S-A-N, Daily Saw, I don't know. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed it because this has 54 in it, and the ones that's in the party section only has, I believe it's 48. It's either 45 or 48. So I did grab one of these, and it is just the spoons. So grab those. Something else that might be a little bit boring, but I'm getting ready for tax season and trying to get all my paperwork and stuff together for my tax lady, and I needed, I use these every year for that, but it's the envelopes, the clasp envelopes. You get 6 in here. They are 9 by 12, but I usually put all my tax papers and things like that in one of these for my tax lady. So I went ahead and grabbed some of those. Something else that I picked up is the, these are the thank you cards by, it says Expressions by Hallmark. You get 6 in here, and they come with the card and the envelope. And I thought these were really pretty. They have so many different designs, but I don't know. I just thought these were so pretty, so I did go ahead and grab one of these. And I like to grab thank you cards to put in when I do giveaways and things like that. And these are blank inside, so you can put your own special message in there if you want. But anyway, I thought those were really pretty, so I grabbed one package of those. Okay, now this, I've already opened this, but I'm going to show you guys. I've not ever seen this at Dollar Tree, so I think this is new. I don't know. But it's by Essentials, and it is the mask container. So I wanted to show you guys, so that's why I went ahead and opened it, so that way I don't waste a bunch of time. But I thought this was really neat. Now, I have more than one mask, so, and usually my mask I'll take off and just shove in my purse, but they have this little container, so it has these little clasps right here that you pop open there to open it, and you just, I don't know, it looks like, you know, like those little diaper wipes or something that you would put, but it's a little bit thinner. But this is so cool, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I mean, this would come in handy if you know, you can put it in your purse if you have a purse that's big enough to fit this. I don't really have a real big purse. I don't like big bulky purses, but you could also just put your mask in here and then put it in your glove compartment of your car, or I know armrest or whatever. Sometimes the armrest will open up and has a little storage compartment in there, so you can put that in there. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed that. I thought that was really neat. I've never seen that before. Okay, let's see here. They had some more greenery, spring type greenery, so I went ahead and just grabbed one of each of these. Now these are the, they're just calling these blooming branches. So, blooming branches. But I think they're really cool, so I did go ahead and grab one of those. They had this one, and it is called just a Greenery Bouquet. But it's got a bunch of different kind of species of plants on there. There's different ones, like, I don't know, ferns, and I don't know what this thing is. But anyway, I thought these were really pretty, so I did go ahead and grab that one. And then this other greenery is, I believe it's Eucalyptus, but they're just calling it foliage. But anyway, I grabbed that because I don't have any green like Eucalyptus. I have some that's like white, but not any green. So I did go ahead and grab one of these, and I only seen one, so I grabbed it. All right, now I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before. I don't know if they're new or if I just never noticed them when I was in there before, but they are these little glass vases. Now I know they have these that are bigger. They're a lot bigger than this, but these are shorter. These are a lot shorter than the bigger ones, but I thought these were so cute. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. I thought these would look pretty to, you know, not put a big old bouquet of flowers in, but maybe just put like, I don't know, I don't have any flower stems around here. I'll just try this. But like, just put one little stem of flowers or something in there. I don't know. I just thought they would look really, I don't know, pretty and elegant. So I did grab 2 of those, and I've never seen that size. Okay, so I did pick up 3 of the little Easter ribbon. These are the 5/8 inch wide, and I think it's, yeah, 3 yards. But I thought these were cute. I really like this one with the little bunny bottoms, and then I really like this one. It looks like burlap with carrots. And I wish that they would have this print and the 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon, because that would be awesome. So anyway, I did go ahead and just grab those 3. Okay, so like I hit the jackpot on the hard candy, like the mist stuff, face mist stuff. This Dollar Tree that I went to had all of them. So I went ahead and I did grab 2 of each, one for myself and then one for my daughter. And I've seen, you know, everybody hauling these, and my Dollar Tree's never had it, but they finally got them in. So this is the hard candy 12-hour protection setting spray, and this one is the anti-pollution. It says defend, sheer envy setting spray, charcoal to detoxify, anti-blue light, anti-pollution, antioxidant, 12-hour protection plus hydration, and it's the 2.2 fluid ounces. So I mean, that's a pretty good size, and it is name brand. It's hard candy. So I don't know, I was excited to find that, and it does say to shake well before you use it. So I did grab 2 of those. And then I found this one. It is the 12-hour mattifying setting spray, and this one is the one that I really wanted. It is the oil control, which I really am not very my skin isn't that oily, but I do get a little bit oily in my T-zone. So anyway, it says sheer envy setting spray, mattifying controls oil, minimizes pores, 12-hour wear plus hydration. So yeah, I was excited to find that. So I did grab 2 of those. This one is the 12-hour long setting spray, the long wear, sheer envy setting spray, 12-hour wear plus hydration. And I can't read this, what it has on there. Fade resistant, fights humidity, cucumber extract. Cool. So this is the one that's in the black bottle. So I'm excited to try that. And then this last one is the 12-hour Radiance Primer Mist. It's the coconut water infused. And it says Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer Mist, 12-hour power, electrolytes, energize, plus hydrate skin, oil-free, silicone-free. So, and it's the one that's in the this white bottle with the, I think that's a silver cap. But the bottle is kind of twisted in there. So anyway, grabbed that one. Then I found the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Sensitive Skin Primer. This one is the oil-free, silicone-free, 1.6 fluid ounces. Sorry. So I did go ahead. I did grab 2 of these, one for myself and then one for my daughter. I found this, and I think I've hauled something similar to this. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Lip color. This one is in the color Coral Me Bad, but this was the only color that they had in this, but I thought I'd go ahead and get it and try it. I like coral colors, so I did get that. And then the last thing that I found, now I don't know if I'll be wearing this or if I'll just give it to my daughter and see if she wants to wear it. I don't know, but it's the Hard Candy. It says Stroke of Gorgeous Bold Glitter Mascara. It's 0.4 ounces. It's the 360 Sparkle. Evenly coats each lash with glitter. Yeah, I don't know. I hope it's not like big chunky. Surely they wouldn't put big chunky, like something that would hurt your eyes, because, you know, glitter can cut your eyeball if you get it in there. So anyway, I'm hoping that it's not, you know, something dangerous. Surely it isn't. But anyway, I don't know if I'll be wearing this or if I'll give it to my daughter and let her have it. But and this does say it is called Shooting Star is the name of it. So I don't know. I don't know if they had any other, if they have any other like colors or whatever in this. This was the only one that my Dollar Tree had. So I did go ahead and grab it though, because it is different. It's something different. I've never seen anything like this before. I mean, back in the 80s, like when I was a kid, we had colored mascara that was, you know, different colors, which they still have now. But I remember, I think I had, it was either blue or green mascara at one point in my life. But so I don't think I'd ever do that again. I don't know, maybe for Halloween. But okay, anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys are staying warm. I am excited about this week because our weather, our temperatures are supposed to get up in the 60s, so I'm excited. I'm ready for spring. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!